It's December 2021 and the cryptocurrency bubble is exploding. You'll see people online making huge gains, but you don't want to invest your own money into cryptocurrency trading. In today's video, I'm going to share how to make money online with cryptocurrency without investment. Of course, investing in cryptocurrency is so risky for it's so volatile, right? Today, all we need to invest is a little bit of hustle. By the way, if you're new to my channel, I make videos about money-making apps and sites, how to make money online. I also do random tutorials and more. If you're interested about those topics, feel free to smash the subscribe button and turn on the post notification so you won't miss my upcoming videos. Now, let's get right into our topic. 5 ways to earn money in cryptocurrency without investment. Number 1. Browsing and watching ads. When you are bored or have free time, you can earn some additional side hustle income by browsing the internet. Here are some of the best ways to get paid to surf the web. Coinbase is one of crypto's most widely used and trusted crypto exchanges. One aspect of their onboarding is the opportunity to earn crypto by learning about individual cryptocurrencies through their course videos. You get paid in the relevant cryptocurrency and can have it deposited directly into your Coinbase wallet, at which point you can transfer or do whatever you want with it. Their video courses cover a variety of cryptocurrencies including the Graph, Clover Finance, AMP, Barnbridge, Stellar Lumens, Balancer, Compound, and Ampleforth Governance Token. You can earn more than $50 plus in various cryptocurrencies, so the payout is really good, but it's ultimately a finite source. There are only so many videos, so you take a few hours, get your crypto, and get out. If you're new to crypto, the education is worth watching either way. It's a complicated sector, and starting slowly and with an education-first mindset is the best way to prevent poor investments. Another option that functions in a similar way to Coinbase is the CoinMarketCap Learning Center. CoinMarketCap has different videos and requires you to take a short quiz afterward, but the payouts and educational value are also high. Here are some of the courses they offer: Plasma Finance, Toko Token, Sushi Swap, IO Token, Polkastarter. As you're going through these, try and see which tokens you think have the most potential. These courses are essentially ads and pitches, after all. If one seems particularly promising, you could bankroll of the coins you earn from these courses and trade them for the one or few cryptocurrencies you think are most promising. Another option is by using Brave browser. You already use a browser, so why not earn cryptocurrency from it too? Here's how to do so with the Brave browser. How to use the Brave browser to earn cryptocurrency. As a Brave browser user, you can earn revenue in the form of BAT Basic Attention Token by simply opting to view ads. BAT is Brave's own cryptocurrency, and a user can earn it when they opt to view anonymous and privacy-preserving ads. This service is totally optional, and the ads are presented to the users in the form of push notifications instead of on-page display. BAT earned this way or stores in a wallet built into the browser, and can be traded for other cryptocurrencies or fiat currency. Why use the Brave browser? Some benefits of using the Brave browser include fast browsing, blocks ads, high privacy, more secure, completely free, and we can earn free crypto by using this browser. If you don't want to browse and watch ads, you can try our next option to earn money in cryptocurrency by taking surveys. Completing online paid surveys is one of many ways to earn passive income from the comfort of your home. Given that the majority of people carry a smartphone or tablet around with them all day and are often online doing stuff, it makes sense to monetize the time you spend surfing the web. Paid survey sites provide a means to achieve this goal. Survey Time is a popular survey-taking platform. It's easy to use, and for many users, it's one of the best ways to earn free Bitcoin. Keeping track of your earnings is simple because they work in dollars instead of points. You get a fixed rate of $1 when you complete each survey, and this is consistent regardless of the length of the survey. So, you could take a survey that takes 2 minutes or 10 minutes to complete and they would both earn you $1 only. This may seem harsh, but you always know what you're going to earn and there is no minimum cash out threshold. You can convert the money you earn to Bitcoin immediately after you complete your assigned task. You don't need a bank account to get started, as the platform pays via Coinbase, so you can work from anywhere in the world. Survey time also pays well when you compare it to the competition. Timebucks is an online survey company, but they have many other earning opportunities, including clicking ads, watching videos, playing games, signing up to websites, installing free apps, completing CAPTCHAs and more. On your very first day, you can earn as much as $50 in Bitcoin and $10.20 per day afterward. The amount you earn will depend on the length and complexity of the tasks that you complete each day. When you hit that minimum cash out threshold of just $10, you can withdraw your Bitcoins and place them in your own wallet. Timebucks give you $1 when you create your free account and you get a referral bonus on the earnings of your friends and family when they join. If you want to get paid in cash, you can use a number of payment methods, including Skrill, Neteller, Payeer, and AIRDROPS. Points Prizes is a well-regarded survey company that can pay you for your efforts with a PayPal transfer, gift cards, or with Bitcoin. Points Prizes allows you to earn your free Bitcoins when you complete a wide variety of tasks, including signing up for contests, downloading free apps, taking surveys, playing online games, trying out free trials for products and services, and more. Next option would be cryptocurrency faucets. Cryptocurrency faucets or crypto faucets are websites and mobile applications that allow the users to obtain a small amount of cryptocurrency in exchange for the performance of certain tasks. A crypto faucet can best be imagined as a small tap that gives drops of different coins for completing a CAPTCHA, registering on a site, or clicking on a timer. They are not guaranteed to turn you into a billionaire overnight, but they may be a good option for you if you are looking for ways to gather and hold coins. Faucet Crypto is a multi-coin faucet which gives users a way to earn some cryptocoins by completing tasks. You will be able to earn Bitcoin and altcoins. You can claim coins every 40 minutes. The base reward is 24 coins but will increase as you level up at Faucet Crypto. No CAPTCHA to complete, but there is a short 10-second timer to wait through. There is also a daily bonus of 35 coins, which is really a daily faucet. So claim these coins every day. Another example of cryptocurrency faucet is XFaucet. XFaucet is a global cryptocurrency faucet website, where you just need to associate your wallet address in iCoinPay to obtain a certain amount of cryptocurrency for free. Claim multi-free cryptocurrencies. At present, XFaucet supports free access to Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Litecoin, LTC, and other 10 types of cryptocurrencies. You can enjoy the fun of getting free of cryptocurrency with just a few clicks but not complicated internet access. Another way to earn money online is writing articles and blogs. Whether you're a skillful freelance writer or a beginner with no experience, anyone can make money from writing articles. It is a trendy job today, and people do it full-time or occasionally. You can do it either for your own blog or write articles for money for another website. If you are tired of hunting blogs and websites that will pay you to write a single article, then you should aim for writing services that provide a constant workflow. At freelancercareers.com, you can easily find well-paying writing jobs associated to your interests. The payments vary depending on the complexity of the job, but you'll get from $7 to $31 per page for your work. If you have an idea for a captivating list post that's 1,500 plus words long, then you can submit it to Listverse and earn $100. The competition is stiff, but having your post published at Listverse is one of the quickest ways to get paid to blog. If you can write quality articles associated to design and programming, then you should definitely submit them at InstantShift. The payments are decided on the basis of the volume and quality of your content. Since this is a reputable website, you can expect to earn a decent amount for a top quality article. Are you looking to make money through affiliate marketing? These are the best affiliate programs to optimize your cash flow. I will organize them by category. We have web services, investing, travel bookings, social media management, e-courses, phone and live chat support solutions, stock graphics and video, email marketing and email service providers, cloud storage, WordPress themes, and search engine optimization, SEO. Disclaimer. As with any business, your results may vary, and will be based on your individual capacity, business experience, expertise, and level of desire. There are no guarantees concerning the level of success you may experience. Also, videos posted on this channel are for educational and entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. I hope I was able to help you by sharing these earning opportunities online. Happy earnings! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I will greatly appreciate that. Feel free to comment down your thoughts and reactions. I will be happy to cater them. This has been Recreational TV. Thanks for joining me today and have a good one. Take care.